Hey everybody, it's Andrew here from andrewplimmer.com. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm coming to you from my home office here on the Sunshine Coast in Australia. It's just an awesome day outside. Summer's just about here. I think it's about 24 degrees Celsius outside, another cloud in the sky. So very, very blessed and grateful to be living where I live. So today I wanted to give you 10 really valuable tips, I believe, on how to get started with an online business. Specifically as an affiliate marketer, I wanted to explain why I chose affiliate marketing and why I think that's a fantastic business model for anybody that wants to get going online. And so I really sort of want to, this will be quite substantial and quite a bit of information, but look, I hope you get huge amounts of value out of it, and that's what I'm all about, helping others. So the first tip is about overcoming fear. I think fear is something that holds most people back. It didn't hold me back all the years ago when I was using SEO and search engine optimization and just creating websites to promote my affiliate programs. But certainly when video came along, it really did sort of put the fear of God into me. You don't have to use video, it's just my chosen platform, if you like, to promote my affiliate marketing business. But even if you're posting on social media and putting yourself, like on Facebook, even putting yourself out there, fear is often what holds most people back. So I always say take imperfect action and don't strive for perfection before you take action, because if you strive for perfection, and you're not, you'll never get there. So even with video, I'm by nowhere perfect when it comes to video. I'm not expecting to be ever perfect, but I know that my videos are getting better and better and better because I'm taking more and more videos, if that makes sense. And so don't be concerned about what your first video looks like. Just put it out there, get the basics right. Of course, I believe I'm shooting on a camera here today, but digital camera. But your iPhone or phone is generally quite fine to get started with. The only advice that I would give there is, if you do choose video, is to make sure you've got a cheap mic or a mic that make sure the sound's reasonable, and get your lighting right. So if you haven't got lights, just maybe rely on natural light and pick a topic and shoot a video. The other reason I like affiliate marketing is the cost of getting started. By comparison to almost any other traditional business, whether it be a franchise or whatever it might be, the cost of getting started in affiliate marketing is minimal, and the returns can be huge. A friend of mine just recently hit the $1 million mark in his affiliate marketing business using YouTube. He did that over 18 months, and the majority of those earnings were done in the last 12 months. So he's really sort of kicking in, but the costs are minimal compared to any other business that I know of, and I'll go through some of the costs in this video. So do expect to invest something, but like I said, it's affordable for most people. Tip number 2 is choose a business idea or a niche that you're passionate about. I think this is really important. There's no point in sort of getting up every morning and not enjoying what you do and not being passionate about what you do, and then it sort of just becomes a job, and probably it'll end up having no longevity. So I really think it's important that you choose a niche that you're passionate about. I'm passionate about affiliate marketing. I'm passionate about entrepreneurship. I'm passionate about making money online. I'm passionate about helping others do the same. And for that reason, I love what I do. And, I find it rewarding. But, you might be a naturopath, for example. Well, there's tons and tons of opportunities there to help people. It's all about helping others. So what type of affiliate marketing business, or let's say you're promoting another product, somebody else's product, that's what affiliate marketing is all about. You're promoting somebody else's product. It's important that the product that you're promoting has what they call a front-end offer and a back-end offer. And what I mean by a front-end offer, it'll be an offer that costs less than $50, and then a back-end offer that somebody might buy into over a period of time as they get to know you, that pays you a minimum of $1,000. And the reason this is really, really important, especially if you're doing Facebook ads and paid advertising, the idea of the front end offer is that takes care of the cost of advertising. If you're not taking care of the cost of advertising with the front end offer, it then becomes very expensive for you to continue on in your business, because you're pulling money out of your own pocket. Whereas if the front end offer is taking care of your advertising costs or breaking even, the back end offer is sort of cream on the cake, and that's where your profit is. So it's very, very important that you sort of understand that. Otherwise, especially if you're doing paid advertising. I'm not doing paid advertising at this point in time. I'm relying wholly and solely on YouTube, so it's possibly not so important. But I still think it is important to have that front end offer and the back end offer. Build an email list is number 5. This is so important, and it's something that I didn't do initially. Your email list is gold. It really is. Russell Brunson from ClickFunnels will tell you that for every email address name and email address that you have on your list, it'll pay you $1 per month. So if you've got 10,000 people on your list, that you should be earning $10,000 per month from your list. $20,000 from your list. $5,000 from your list. So build your list. I use a software program called Aweber. I've been using it for years. I like it. There are many different types of email programs out there, but I choose Aweber. It's reliable, and more importantly, it integrates with some of the software that I use for my sales pages. And that's what I wanted to talk to you next about the sales pages or funnels. Now I choose ClickFunnels. I like ClickFunnels. I've been using it for a long time. It integrates with Aweber. If you're brand new, of course, it's going to be a little bit of a challenge. It'll test you, but it's easy by comparison to anything else. And if I can do it, you can do it. So it's just the case, and there's some fantastic training and information on ClickFunnels. So once again, I'll give you a link to that below. There's the Aweber link below, and you can go and do it, go and create a trial account with ClickFunnels and just have a play around and see if it's for you or not. It is, like I said, it's a little bit more well, it's not more expensive than you get what you pay for. And this is just one of the tools that I recommend if you're going to become an affiliate marketer. You need to have a sales page. The other thing everybody will talk about is you need to have what they call a website. Now it doesn't have to be fancy, but I've got andrewplimmer.com. I've got a blog attached to that, and it's all about branding yourself up. I've heard it said it's like it's your island. Nobody can take your website away from you. It's unlikely, but YouTube could disappear or kick you off, or Facebook could not disappear, but once again, they could make things difficult for you and close your account. It happens. Whereas nobody can take away your website and your web address. So doesn't need to be fancy to begin with. It just needs, but it's something that you need to have and own and create, and it's like a home base for you. So that's where you can, and that's where you can update it. You can create a blog if you want to, and blog posts, and create a business that way using search engine optimization. But you still need to have a home base, if you like. Now, number 8, I wanted to talk about what platform do you use, i.e. what social media platform do you use to promote your business or your affiliate marketing business. This is really important because I'm guilty of it. I think a lot of people are guilty of it, choosing more than one to begin with. And I think that's a deadly, deadly mistake. Master one platform first. And I've heard it said from somebody just in the last few days, get your earnings up to like $10,000 a month, and master that one platform before you choose another platform. And buy courses on how to how to master that platform, get good at it, hone in on it. And that platform could be YouTube, it could be Instagram, it could be Facebook, it could be SEO with like search engine optimization with Google. I like YouTube because for a number of reasons. I think videos for me are getting easier to create for starters. It's I'm not a very good writer, so I don't enjoy writing. And for me, YouTube is a search engine a search engine. So it's likely that you do a video like this video today. Could be producing some sort of traction for me in 2, 3, 4 years' time. So it's all about sort of posting with purpose, and I like video because for lots of reasons. Not that I necessarily enjoy getting in front of the camera, but one of the reasons is I know that a lot of people won't do video, and so I would say maybe 95% of people won't do video because they're scared of the camera, which means less competition. I like video because they can see the real you. They can see that if you're full of shit, so to speak, they can see through any. People are getting smart. They can see through the bullshit. As they say, you can't bullshit a bullshitter. So that's the one of the, and I can sort of generally get a video. I try and do a video every day these days, and I can generally get a video. If I start, at 8 o'clock in the morning, my job's sort of done and dusted by 10 o'clock at least. But I don't strive for perfection. I of course I do. That's not true. I do strive for perfection, but I don't. If it's not perfect, I don't worry about it. I say, right, done, load it up onto YouTube. I've done the best I can, and then worry about tomorrow's content or tomorrow's video. And with regard to content, it's just about providing value to other people, helping other people. So I've heard Russell Brunson say this as well. All you need to be is one chapter ahead of the person that you're helping. So if I see a video that I really like and I think, I like that content, I'm going to do a video similar to that. I'm not going to copy it or plagiarize it, but I'll sort of take that person's idea and I'll perhaps just sort of put it out there in my words. So I think content really isn't an issue. It's something that people think that it is, but it's really not an issue. You follow other people that are doing what you want, that are doing what you want to be or where you want to be. Learn off them and produce content based on not copying or plagiarizing them, but sort of based of what learn from them, and then put it out there in your words. Create content that sort of helps other people. There'll be someone somewhere that you can help, and over time, they'll grow with you. Which means if you're growing, they'll continue to follow you and they'll continue to support you, so long as you're providing valuable content that's valuable to them. So it's not hard for me to help somebody that's just getting started in affiliate marketing. I can help people and give people so much value because I'm that one step ahead. I'm not saying that I'm better than them or anything like that, but I'm that one step ahead. And if I can help them or avoid making any costly or silly mistakes, my job's done. It's awesome. And it's a great feeling, and it's about building long-term rapport. I don't think it's about having tens of thousands of followers on Facebook these days either, or tens of thousands. Obviously it's nice, but I think it's about quality, and I think the internet's sort of maturing a bit, and it's about giving good quality information to the right people, and it's about knowing who you're marketing to. Once again, this is something that Russell Brunson talks about a lot. I'm obviously a big fan of Russell. I think he's an absolutely fantastic internet marketer. And I like Russell because he's authentic and he's genuine. And, he comes from the heart. And so he talks about, really sort of honing in and knowing your avatar. So you're not trying to promote to everybody. That's you'll get nowhere. So know what your avatar or that person is that you want to promote to. Is it a male or female? How old is he or she? What are her interests? What do they like doing? Really sort of get to know and even write it out on a piece of. Type it out on a piece of paper. Type it out on an A4 piece of paper, and really sort of hone in on what that person is, who she is, who he is, why you want to work with that person, and that too will make your job a lot easier. Number 10 is driving traffic to your landing page or your sales pages. It's important to note also that ClickFunnels also integrates with Facebook, with WordPress. So if you go to andrewplimmer.com, whilst it's hanging off a WordPress website, the front page of andrewplimmer.com is created with ClickFunnels, and it works perfectly well. Like I said, it also integrates with Aweber, which is awesome. And so if you add those costs up, it's better. I think Aweber is about $20 a month. Let's say ClickFunnels is $100 a month. Your hosting for your WordPress site might be $15 or $20 a month. It's not a huge amount of money to run an affiliate marketing business. Of course, there might be advertising costs and other costs along the way, but like I said earlier, by comparison to a traditional business, it really is quite minimalistic. What else did I want to say? Look, I've, as you may or may not know, I've aligned myself with an affiliate marketing program. I've been looking around for years at various affiliate marketing programs and done a lot of affiliate marketing. I've always been passionate about sort of helping others get started, and I was blown away with this program. It really is. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing and you want the support and the help and the step-by-step processes that you need to go through to get started, this is absolutely the one for you. I mean, they take you through a 15-day boot camp to begin with. You've got one-on-one coaching. They'll show you how to use ClickFunnels. They have weekly live webinars. There's lots of courses in the back end if you choose. On Facebook advertising, how to create a YouTube account, how to make money with YouTube. Mindset's a big one here. And most importantly, the owner and founder of this program is authentic. He's genuine, he knows his stuff, and he genuinely wants to help people. And that's why I've aligned myself with this particular program. So if you go down below in this video, there's a link down below, andrewplimmer.com. Click on that, grab yourself a free trial, go and check it out. I think, as I talked about the front end offer before, I think that's about $30. It's a once-off cost, so if you wanted to go, and it's the amount of value you get from that $30, seriously, it's worth thousands of dollars. But it's like anything, you've got to take action. It's going to sort of, if you're brand new to this, yes, it'll test you a little bit. But like I said, if I can do it, you can do it, and perseverance and will absolutely get you through. So I hope this video provided you with some great tips and information that will help you get started. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. And before I close off here, please click the bell, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that, and I'll see you in the next video. Over and out. Bye now.